So this is Carl's M3, the E93, and he has a new exhaust on it. Basically it's my X pipe, but he deleted the 2 resonators on the X pipe, so it sounds really good. And he has stock mufflers. So he has the stock mufflers right there. So it's not droning at all. It just sounds nice and high-pitched F1 sound. So we're gonna take it for a ride. Ellie's gonna drive it, and I'm gonna take some video clips.
Ready? Oh shit!
Wow, nice job, Ellie. Man, that sounds good. Oh my gosh. Carl, congrats, man. Sounds great.
Yeah.
There's like, it's, you know, there's not much flaws in it. It sounds good. It has a nice rasp.
It's really fun. I was just telling him how dramatic it was when it goes.
Oh, really? Nice. Yep.
So we just finished driving Carl's M3, and how it differentiates from ours is whenever I upshift from first gear, it would have this like dramatic jerkiness to it, but it's actually really fun. And I was comfortable driving it because yeah, we have like the same car. But it sounds good. It sounds really good. My favorite is the downshift. Yeah. Thunder's downshift. So if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Cars with Ellie. Become friends with me there and check out the new videos and pictures that we post. So yeah, take care now. I don't know.
Thank you, Carl, for letting us drive your nice E93 M3. See you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.